Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is actually my very first time doing thrift flip. So I bought this dress actually from the Newtown marketplace, and then basically I cut it short into a mini dress. So very first is that you want to make sure that you have that the desired length, and then mark it with pins. And you just actually want to make sure that you have this 1 to 2 centimeters extra space because you are going to actually fold the hem. Then after you mark it, you draw the line with marker, which I know that mine is actually not straight, but you know, life goes on. And then go to the cutting process. And when you actually do the cutting process, make sure you do a long cut. Do not do a shorter like cut, because you can actually make the fabric frays, or you know, you have that sort of like an uneven cut, which you don't want that. Then after that, you know, steam, iron, or press the folded hem, make sure it's even. And then I actually did it multiple times. After you feel like it's, you know, it's pressed and evenly, and you're happy with the straight line, and you just try to pin the edges so it stays. And it's actually really helpful when you actually stitch on the sewing machine, just to make sure that the folded hem just straight and have an even line. I use the Brother sewing machine, an S15 model, and then I use the number 10. And I don't really know about the tension though. I know that it's a stretch fabric, so it's actually better to have a lower tension, I believe. Yeah, and just make sure that you stitch it straight. Don't really pull, don't really push it, and just, you know, just follow whenever the machine actually stitch, and you know, make sure that it's actually aligned. and mine is actually not aligned, but as a first timer, I think it's a great one. So this is the final result. I mean, I think it's a really great mini dress, and I believe that I will actually wear this more often compared to that long dress one. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you found this tutorial helpful. Bye!